thought I'd pop down to the International Market again in Nottingham and well, have a chat to a few people and have a chat to a few traders. Wow, look at that. If you're hungry and you're into cheesecake, then you're spoilt for choice here. Martha, we're spoilt for choice here, aren't we? With what are they, macaroons?
These are freshly baked coconut macaroon. It's originally from Belgium. And as you can see today, we make them from scratch right here.
Yeah.
We use a lot of coconut.
Yeah, so they're not frozen.
No, we literally here.
Make them, yeah.
Yes. We shape it with our lovely ice cream scoop. Then we have two amazing ovens here.
Yeah.
We bake them on the spot, so we serve them fresh out of the oven, plain and chocolate chips.
Do you do many markets?
We do a lot of markets throughout the year.
Yeah.
Here in UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland. So yeah, it's a very popular product here.
It's an English accent there.
Oh no, it's not English at all. It's an Italian one.
Whereabouts in Italy are you from?
Sicily, from Sicily.
Oh, right,
yes.
okay.
Yeah.
So you're touring all around?
That's right,
UK.
yes, that's right, that's our job. It's lovely because you get to know a lot of people and know about the culture and everything. So that's, it's lovely.
How have you found the Nottingham people?
Lovely, as always. This is our probably, I don't know, 5th year that we come in here for the market. So yeah, it's lovely, always amazing.
Are they spending plenty of money?
Enough money, enough money, yes, yeah.
Oh, let's try one of these. Very tasty. Like Martha said, the good thing about this stall, they actually making them in front of you. They're not pre-cooked or frozen that you often find at similar stalls. He's got the right idea. Who needs Barcelona when you've got the old Market Square in Nottingham?
Good to meet you. For me, Dylan. I'll have you.
I've messed up again, dropped a dog's you-know-what here, because, well, there's loads of food around, and I've just had a full English again. I don't know. I must remember when I'm coming to events like this, don't pre-eat, or I won't be particularly hungry. Martin, the coffee man of Gotham, as I've called you.
Yeah.
How's it been going then?
Alright, steady, nice crowd, weather's been good, kind to us.
The weather's been fantastic.
Normally it
hasn't
rains at least one day, but no rain.
Yeah.
And glorious today, so get yourselves down here before the football starts.
Oh yeah, the big day down Wembley today,
Big
isn't
day
it?
for the Forest fans.
Yeah.
So you need some coffee afterwards to cure that hangover.
I'm sure they'll need plenty of that if they want to get up in the morning.
That was the like 3-in-1 thing that I recommend.
Even the dogs are catered for here. Pure, the delicious food your dog deserves. Not seen any dogs yet. Maybe they ought to pop down here. Andy, Pure, what's that all about then?
It's natural dehydrated dog food, obviously for your dog.
Yeah. And how did people set up something online then?
Yeah, it's like a subscription-based service where you get a natural dog food tailored to your dog.
Yeah.
So you get a choice of recipes to choose from, like these.
Yeah.
And then we deliver it out to your door in a box like this.
Okay.
And generally you mix it with water, hydrate it back up, and then you get a really natural, what looks a bit like a shepherd's pie for your dog.
All right.
Yeah, so good way of feeding. Nice and healthy. We tailor it to your dog if he's got any allergies.
Oh right, yeah. That's a good idea. Yeah, what sort of allergies might dogs have?
Sometimes it's environmental, sometimes it's to food. It could be an allergy to meat proteins, it could be grain is a big one. So we're completely grain free, hypoallergenic, and all natural, which is the best kind of food. May have seen it on Dragon's Den a few years ago, when the boss down there and Matt pitched and actually ate some. They turned the dragons down.
Oh, they turned the dragons down.
So there actually two offers were made by Deborah Mead and Kelly Hoffman. And then they turned both down. And walked out the den and were subtly told it probably wouldn't work. Here we are, one of the biggest air-dried dog foods in the
10
country.
10 years later. You're still going. How's it been down here? Has it been busy?
It's been, it's not been the busiest of the gigs, because city centre gigs for us are never, there's not as many dogs. We like dog shows, country shows, agricultural shows.
Field type of shows.
Yeah, it's been good being in Nottingham. People are nice, been a nice vibe, weather's been good. Yeah, touch wood, it stays good. But yeah, it's been nice. Try different ones. You can phone up and get free samples of all the flavours.
In my work, it's like going to
The good thing is, with an event like this, you don't actually have to spend any money. It's nice just to have a wander around, especially when the weather is as nice as it is. You can just sit down like our friend earlier, sunbathe, or have a drink. Park yourself on the by the beer tent or the bar. Just enjoy yourself.
Now that chili has a bit of a kick, Richard.
Oh right, okay.
Just so you know, I'll creep up on you over a minute. Yeah, certainly mate, certainly. Those shambles are pretty freshly out, but the salami's been sitting for a while, so it's a little warm. Natural environment is the fridge. Alrighty? Take it home, Bob, in the fridge, you can keep it there for up to 6 weeks.
That's got a bit of a kick.
Hiya, Richard.
Barry, what you got going on here then?
So, Continental Cottage, we have brought the finest German salami. They are made in Bavaria. The company's been going for over 20 years. Well, this particular name, we're branded for the last 20 years, but the company and the suppliers have been together for a good 25 years. Made in Bavaria, brought to us, and we come to the markets then every week at a different place in the country. 6 types with me today. They're all gluten-free and dairy-free. They'll last in your fridge for up to 6 weeks. You can freeze them. There's long life in these. They're beautiful. They do taste a little better when they're cool.
Right,
the sun's out today, so it's making them a little oily, but
Sweating a bit.
they are, unfortunately. But they're still good. They're still good. As you can see, there's still people buying them. When the samples go out, they kind of sell themselves. Do you know what I mean? I'm an Irishman here. I'm not trying to put on a German accent or anything. I kind of keep myself back, and I let the salami do the talking for me.
Whereabouts in Ireland are you from?
Belfast.
Oh, right, okay.
Belfast. They have a market in Belfast at Christmas. I worked for them there for the past few years, and then I've been working permanently now in the markets in the UK for the last year maybe.
And you do a lot of these sort of agricultural festivals?
We do a lot of the food shows, absolutely, a lot of food shows, gun shows, dog shows, caravan shows. The shows are great fun, they might be in great venues. Markham Castle was a beautiful one I did at the end of last year. But the streets are great too. The streets are great too. And we've cut out a lot of our packaging. As you can see, only the Lanziger has packaging, and that's to bring the price down to a nicer price on the high street.
And can we find you online?
You can find our Facebook or Instagram online.
Okay, that's in the description below.
Or you can tag us and say, hi, we tried your salami and it's fantastic. As for selling online or in a shop, we don't.
Difficult with fresh meat, isn't it?
We could do it if we had more bodies, but the people we have at the minute, we're better in the markets. We prefer to bring them to the markets, bring them to the people as opposed to let the people try and find us online, etc.
Brilliant.
Beautiful product, absolutely worth giving it a try at the very least.
All these meatballs? Yeah.
Give me one extra for you.
No, like when you go to the transfer yeah, we're going to catch them out of the booth and we'll come back and buy them. There's like 3 stalls where I'm buying stuff
You can mix as well,
I don't want any.
I'll have one.
One story, look at that.
I'll have one, boss. Yeah, boss.
Okay, thank you, Tanya.
Wow, they call it an international market. Certainly some international food here. Moroccan, Mediterranean delights, shawarma, Turkish fudge, not fudge, what's it called, that sugary stuff? Turkish delight, that's it. Afro-Caribbean street food, gourmet burgers, and even got some crepes from across the channel in France. All sorts of food.
Alright, fella.
Hello guys.
Hopefully that's giving you a flavour of what food's on offer down here. You see what I did there? Flavour. Anyway, as always, do like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about it as well. And I'll speak to you very, very soon.
Here.